Uh, the credit monitoring apps. I mean, nothing that's a hard pull like the one you gave me.
Okay, so I'm gonna start, okay?
Okay.
Okay, so hello everyone. I am on the phone with Cameron, who is a loan officer, and he gave me the opportunity to work on his credit, to fix many of the student loan issues and a lot of the errors on his current credit report. I decided to challenge all of them so he can improve his overall credit score. And we are currently in the first phase, in the first round of improving his credit score. And I am going to continue to work with him until I meet all of his needs. I wanted to introduce everybody to Cameron, and he a wonderful loan officer. So you could start off by saying a little bit of your experience before and how was your experience?
Yeah. So I'm a loan officer, Sunmark Credit Union, able to do mortgages for all of New York. I did want to connect with young executives. I've heard good things about them, and I kind of wanted to see what the process was like for myself before getting sending clients as well to help get them where they need to be for approval for a mortgage. So I wanted to see what it was like, and process has been pretty good. I a lot of information. You make sure that I understand where I'm at. The tools are there available for you to use so that you can stay on board, see exactly what he's doing. He was able to kind of explain to me what the process looks like, what to expect, how it's going to play out. He's very open about the process. He'll be able to answer any questions you have. So it's so far it's been so good. He's been pretty accurate with the timelines of things. So I appreciate that. Even though it's not guaranteed, he has been able to meet my expectations. So I've had nothing but good things to say so far.
Okay, okay. And have you ever were you nervous about signing up in the whole entire process?
Not necessarily, because I have experience with um just the industry. I'm familiar with it. But like any partner, you want to vet them. You want to know what they're like. You want to know what their business practices are. That was really my only concern, to be honest
Okay.
with you. But you've gone above and beyond my expectations.
Awesome, awesome. And what was the score difference that you noticed and your credit?
Uh, just well, we're only about a month into the game, and I've already noticed over 100 point score difference, so that's great. So I'm definitely excited for that, and based off of what Stephon's telling me, I can see even more of an improvement as we move forward.
Okay, and what would you tell somebody who is looking for credit? And um,
To connect with you, to trust your process. You're gonna break it down every step of the way, like I said. That you know how to do it, you know what to do what it takes. And you've proven that with me. So I'm looking forward to sharing you with my other clients.
and my last question is, a lot of people get concerns about communication and customer service with a lot of credit repair companies. How do you feel like I tackle those issues?
Much better than previous people that I've worked with before in the industry. I think that you stay on top of it. You go out of your way to make sure that I am informed. So I have nothing but positive things to say about how much you touch base with me, making sure that I know where we're at.
Awesome, awesome. Thank you for your time and thank you for the opportunity.
Yes, of course. Thank you.